This is my bathroom. This is my bathroom full of orange tabbies from Lebanon. This is the only boy I have. Somebody else has 4 more of them, and 2 of them are boys. Is not he absolutely gorgeous? This is a girl. She was just spayed. These are all from a Lebanon barn. They had 16 orange tabbies, and not one of them was fixed. Can you believe it? In a world overloaded in cats, not one of them was fixed. And then they decided to up and move. And the consequence of not fixing any of those cats, being 16 cats, went into the hands of somebody else. That would be me. None of them fixed. This is what happens. People don't fix their pets for whatever reason, and somebody else has to clean up after them, or they die. They simply die as a result, and it's sick. These are wonderful cats, and I've got to find them homes. That's a little girl, scared. Spayed now, fortunately, because spaying is the responsible thing. When people don't fix, it's quite selfish, and it results in suffering and death, and it makes me very sad almost every day because I have to deal with this. Because I've chosen to. Who else is going to help the animals? Are you? Are your pets fixed? Look at these gorgeous cats suffering the consequence. And me, I'm suffering it too because I've got to find them someplace. And I don't know where. And this is one of the kittens. She's spoken for. Isn't she sweet? And here's 2 more females and another little kitten. He's spoken for too. It's very, very hard on them to face separation from all their family members. New location. They don't know what's going on. It's not their fault. Those people should have fixed their pets. You should fix your pets if yours are not fixed. There's really no excuse for it. Do you not think it's easy on me trying to find homes for 16 cats? It isn't. It makes me cry. Please help me find homes for 16 beautiful orange tabbies. Thank you.